All right. I don't know what you guys call this in your mother tongue or wherever you come from, but this one in English is called amaranth, and we call them zimboga in my mother tongue. Yeah. So today when I went to the farm, I had to take some for lunch. Wait, is it lunch or dinner? Dinner. Yeah. So this is a mixture of vegetables that mainly 80% of Americans don't relate to or don't know, but it's way 100 times better than the spinach you buy at the grocery store. People from Taiwan, Thailand, they can recognize this. It's a very famous vegetable to eat. Fresh cilantro also. We got this fresh, wonderful cilantro also from the farm. Yeah, we plucked them. Sorry, we couldn't show you that. Right. So now we're going to like parboil this a little bit in a nice, wonderful, heavy pot. Pour them to just reduce them down. Then we're going to saute them. Hey, all right. So remember the veggies I was talking about? Now we're going to boil them up, reduce them in size. Then we're going to saute them with onions only for now. And that will help us be able to use these vegetables later tonight. So here we go. Look, also this. We chop them up a little bit, and that's gonna go. Now they boil 10 minutes, 15 maybe. We'll see how they behave once they are boiled a little bit. Then we'll come back and make some wonderful cooking happen in here. And in here we have all, you remember when I was deboning the legs? Look at that soup. That is absolute awesomeness when it comes to broth. You have bones in there that are going to help all this. Look at that. It's all rendered down, all of it. Now this is the much we have left. Oh, smells like heaven. I don't know how heaven smells though. It smells like heaven in my version of heaven. Call the pastor if you have problems. Not pasta like pasta from Italy. Call the preacher. This is the fat from the lamb, eh? Instead of using our beautiful olive oil, we're gonna be using the fat from the lamb as our oil. So I'm just gonna like chop these guys, little small ones. Like that. Throw them in my thing. That's it. Now we're gonna let it render down slowly, then we'll get back to it. So far so good. Let's touch some salt in the sodium chloride. I know. Bear with me. I know. I like to call it sodium chloride so I can feel like I learned chemistry in high school. Poor musician. Wow. That's how bad it is, guys. this smells good. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Look at that. Nice rendered down fat. Now we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables. The veggies are going to go in. Grab our veggies. Look at that. Oh, hey guys, you don't know what smell that's coming out of here. Mama de mia. Ooh la la. Ala de ooh. There you have it. There it is. Look at this. Let us taste. Don't tell my mom. Oh gosh. Abort mission. Very good. Needs a little bit of salt, but hey. This, I'm gonna use my secret ingredient. I will not show you guys. Call me if you want it. If you want it, call me. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Alright, y'all, there you got it. That's the lamb. And that's the amaranth vegetables. And some wonderful white stroke turmeric rice. And that's it. Ooh la la.